Every home deserves the best when it comes to heating. But did you know there was a way to not only heat your home more efficiently, but also reduce your carbon footprint and save on energy bills? Enter the world of air source heat pump systems, a marvel of modern technology that's making waves in the UK domestic property scene. An air source heat pump draws warmth from the air outside, even on chilly days, and uses it to heat your home. It operates on a simple yet incredibly efficient principle, absorbing heat from the air, then compressing it to increase its temperature, and finally, distributing it throughout your home. It's a far cry from traditional gas boilers, which burn fuel to create heat, releasing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere in the process. Air source heat pumps are a game changer for two reasons. Firstly, they're energy efficient. They can deliver up to 3 times the amount of energy they consume, making them a fantastic way to reduce energy bills. Secondly, they're environmentally friendly. By harnessing the power of the air, they reduce reliance on fossil fuels, making a significant contribution to the fight against climate change. But to maximize the benefits of an air source heat pump, it's crucial to have a well-insulated property. Good insulation helps keep the warmth inside, making the system even more efficient. And if your property is not well insulated, don't worry. There are a range of grants available for you to help towards the cost of upgrading your heating system. And here's the best part. The UK government is making it easier for homeowners to make the switch to this innovative heating solution. The Boiler Upgrade Scheme offers grants towards the cost of installing a new air source heat pump. It's a golden opportunity to upgrade your heating system, make your home more energy efficient, and contribute to the UK's net zero target. So why stick with an outdated gas boiler when you can embrace the future with an air source heat pump system? It's a decision that benefits not only you and your home, but also the planet. It's time to think about making the switch. For more information, please visit our website by following the link below.